Hi guys, welcome to another video of series Sharing Experience. Today we'll continue the keyword research on scale with Ahrefs and Scraper part 2. Today we'll learn how to find seed keywords with Google Keyword Planner tool and putting those keywords in Ahrefs to find more keywords, getting data with Scraper and more. So let's start with Keyword Planner. For today's example, we'll continue with that affiliate keyword research, and as in last time we did for golf balls, so I'll continue with that again. This time I will be using Google Keyword Planner to find more seed terms like this from US location and get search results. I'm using Chrome extension Keyword Everywhere, which is showing this data. But the main thing we need from here is not this part. You all know about this part. We are talking about this part today. This brands, products, year, color, balls. We will use these terms to find more new keywords. For example, we go with the brands. We know that the keywords like this brand versus this brand keywords are more converting, and keywords like brand review, brand versus brand, buy brand, golf balls online, these type of keywords converts good. Now how to find those keywords on scale? Now, as discussed in the last video of this series, we have discussed how to get this similar data with a scraper extension called scraper with dvstn. What it will give is, it will give us this new menu in right click, which on click give the all the similar data from the page like this. We got all the 26 brands from that seed term we gave to the Google Keyword Planner. Now we have to copy this, close it. I will go to the Keyword Planner of Keyword Explorer of Ahrefs and paste the list of brands here. Now from this we will remove the unwanted brands or terms like text, or we can remove Nike, because with Nike, it will give us unwanted terms like Nike versus Adidas. We can remove similar or like the terms we know about. In this part, we have to just put the terms or brand name which we don't know about. Like Ping, we can remove. Adidas, we can remove. Or Top Fly, Dunlop. We don't know about these brands, so we will use this to find more keywords. Now hit enter or click on the search button. It will give us the list of, it gives us list on 23 keywords. Now we have to go to matching terms and phrase match. Now we got list of this much keywords. Now we have to filter this list. Okay. For this we can put any word tab and put versus here to find the brand versus brand keywords, as we did in previous video also. Like here we got Bridgestone versus Michelin, Hoka versus Brooks. Now these are the low competition keywords which you can target if you are working on golf ball niche. Now to find more keywords for this brand, you want like सब कीवर्ड्स फॉर ब्रिज स्टोन, मतलब अब हमें चाहिए वो कीवर्ड्स जो ब्रिज स्टोन की और भी गोल्फ बॉल्स के क्या बोल सकते हैं हम इसको वर्जन्स होंगे या इनके प्रोडक्ट होंगे। लाइक मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ इसको एग्जांपल। हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, हम कॉपी करेंगे ब्रिज स्टोन को। हमारे पास अभी 26 ब्रांड्स हैं, उनमें से मैं अभी जस्ट एक वन ब्रांड को कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, ब्रिज स्टोन। तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक और मैं कीवर्ड एक्सप्लोर, आई एम ओपनिंग अ न्यू टैब फॉर कीवर्ड एक्सप्लोरर, and here I will put Bridgestone, and again going to the matching term and phrase, and under phrase match I'll include Bridgestone Golf. Bridgestone we have put here. Now here I will include golf balls as we want keywords related to the golf balls. Now it give us the more keyword like Bridgestone E6 golf ball, Bridgestone E12 golf ball. Now these are the sub keywords of under one brand which you can write on. Now we got the keyword Bridgestone golf balls, Bridgestone E6 golf ball. Now to find more keywords, we will copy this, remove it from here, and hit enter in Keyword Explorer to find all the keywords of the Ahrefs database. Now from the database of this much keyword, we will find the keywords of Bridgestone golf ball. Now we know we got this keyword Bridgestone E6 golf ball. Now this is the model of golf ball by brand Bridgestone. Now to find more products of more golf ball products of Bridgestone, what we can do is we can remove E6 and put just a star here like this, an asterisk symbol, and hit apply. Now let's see what we'll get. Now you see we got 1300 keywords for more sub keywords of the brand like Bridgestone ladies golf balls, Bridgestone golf ball reviews. Now we got one more keyword reviews after a product, Bridgestone E7 golf ball, Bridgestone Tiger golf ball. Now all these are low competition keywords which other might not be targeting. You can just write a basic simple introduction of this golf ball and features and give internal link to the main keyword or main post you are targeting for golf balls. Now similarly you can get more keywords for any niche, any brand, and more products of such brand. Now we see we got a review word at the end. Now what we can do is we can put reviews at the end too to find, and again put a star here. Now with this star what it will do is it will give us keywords with review, reviews, reviewing, anything which can get added after the review. Now again we'll hit apply. Now you see we got 96 more keywords with reviews. Bridgestone E6 golf ball review, Bridgestone extra soft golf ball reviews, Bridgestone this much reviews. Now if we open this in this keyword in Keyword Explorer, we'll find the sites which are targeting this low competition keyword. Now let's see what are the type of sites these are ranking. Like you see, they are working with versus keyword, Bridgestone Extra Soft versus Callaway Super Soft. Now they are like comparing the one brand sub product with another brand sub product, which is a very low competition keyword. You see a DR0, UR0, zero backlink website getting 43 traffic with 50 keywords. It's good. Now the customer or viewer who is going to search for this keyword has done his all the research and has read many articles, and after that he got to know about the brand Bridgestone, and after Bridgestone he got to know about the product extra soft golf balls, and now he's looking for the review of that product, and now he is on the final stage of converting. Now if you work on this keyword and write a simple short paragraph introduction type blog post on this keyword, you will likely to be ranked very fast. And after ranking, when you get the traffic for this keyword, the result and conversion you will get will be the next level. You will get the very high conversion rate with this type of keywords. And competition, we have already seen. DR0 website is ranking again Golfwag DR44, DR81. Now these sites are authority sites which are not focusing on the main keyword, but this site with DR0 or UR0 is focusing on main keyword. That's why it's ranking more. Now let's see what type of content this brand has written, this blog has written. Now you see it have just like review the versus of one brand versus another brand, and it have added features and product You see how simple it is. And similarly, you can find more keyword of this website by putting it in Ahrefs, and you will get more low competition keywords which this brand or website have find with similar or other method. Similarly, you can use these star marks for finding any related keywords in any niche. For example, as we are working on Leadsathon 2, where we are targeting for like local business niche, so we can find local business niche also with this. Like if we put include here, like if we want to find a local niche keyword in Chandigarh, for that like we want to find a keyword for best in Chandigarh. For that, what we can do is we will put best star in Chandigarh. Now what it will do is it will give us all the keywords with best dash in Chandigarh, like best hotels in Chandigarh, best photographers in Chandigarh, list of best schools in Chandigarh, best lounge in Chandigarh. This type of keywords you can find with this on scale, with by putting just star marks in it. Now it's showing us just 210 keywords because we have put all words. Now if we put any word here and apply, it will give us more keywords now. Let's see. It is giving us 210 keywords. Oh, we are searching in United States and searching for Chandigarh, which is in India. That's why it might not be showing the results. Again, put best star in Chandigarh, any word, apply. Now let's see how much keyword it will give. See, 1700 keywords it gave us with the exact volume now. Best Styles Institute, best school, best architects. You see, by this we can do keyword research on scale with this part. So we used the star mark asterisk feature of Ahrefs to find the keywords on scale and use the scraper Chrome extension to get the similar data, to scrape the similar data from any website like we did for brands in here. And what we can also do is, now here if you see, they also show us the product like golf clubs, golf bag, golf accessories, golf tees. These are the related keywords of what we put golf balls here. And here we can see like we have searches with year in the end of the keyword. We have searches with color like yellow, black, white. Now what we can do is we got the seed keywords from keyword planner by putting our seed keyword here. We got that searches are there also for the colors like yellow, black, white. Now what we can do is we can go to the keyword explorer again, put golf balls here with United States and search for it, and let's see what it will give. Now again go to matching terms and phrase match, and here we can include the color like yellow. Make sure to put it in any word, not in all words, to get the more keywords. Like you see, it gave us 963 previously. Now it will give us 963 again. It's showing with any words too. Let's see what it will give by putting star in the end. 967 yellow golf ball. Now it's showing us the brand color golf ball. Again, brand color golf ball, brand feature color golf ball, which are the very long tail keywords, and these are the high converting keywords which you can target, and you can easily rank on these type of keywords on your new websites also. Again, pinnacle gold yellow golf ball, again the term of yellow, Nike yellow golf balls, again used yellow golf balls. Competition for these keywords seems to be high because it's in KD. You see how we get more keywords from the seed terms from Keyword Everywhere, sorry, Keyword Planner by Google. Again, let's see what it's showing in others. And in brand, it also show more brand in the footer also, like you see Odyssey, Wise Golf. It's 20 more brand. You can also again scrape this also with similar scrape similar Chrome extension plugin. You see we get 17 more brands from about page here. Now let's see what more we can do with it. It says by putting year. Now let's see what are the searches with year in the end. Let's put 2020, the last year. Yes, it's showing best golf ball 2020. Again, brand golf balls 2020. Brand golf balls 2020. What we did is we put the main seed keyword in keyword planner, and using the beta feature of refine keywords and getting the more terms from here like brands, products. If products we can use for related products, and here we got colors, we got balls, we got and others, personal golf ball, DL. These might again be the brands. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video. Bye.